Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2009 Kia Sportage LX. This shape runs from 2005 to 2010. This vehicle sustained damage in the front. This vehicle is fitted with a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a front-wheel drive 5-speed manual transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Left-hand front guard, 1.25 dent. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front appears to have a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left hand front door in tidy condition with 2.25 dents. Left hand rear door. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear appears to have a good tyre. Left hand tail light in tidy condition. Tailgate in tidy condition. Has a tidy bumper cover, some light scratches. Tidy right hand tail light. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear appears to have a good tyre. Rear door in tidy condition. Driver's door in tidy condition. Right hand power door mirror. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front appears to have a good tyre. Right hand front guard in good condition. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory vinyl and cloth interior in black. This vehicle is fitted with a factory MP3 single stack CD player. We have the courtesy light with sunglass holder. We have the right hand sun visor in tidy condition. Manual transmission instrument cluster. Has the factory fitted black steering wheel in tidy condition. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.